Japan's SoftBank once used to be the epitome of success, and its founder, at a time, considered the most powerful person in Silicon Valley. Inspired by his father's work ethic, Masayoshi Son founded SoftBank in 1981 with an initial capital of $1 million from his father, Misunori-san. SoftBank went on to garner wins like acquiring an 80% majority stake in Sprint in 2013 for $21.6 billion, starting a $100 billion tech-focused vision fund in 2016, and others like reaping an estimated $4 billion in profit with the sale of Flipkart in 2017. That said, recently, its failures have started to pile and outweigh the wins. WeWork ended up having a failed IPO in 2019, and is now riding an uncertain future in which SoftBank invested over $10 billion. It also invested $240 million in an e-commerce startup, Brandless, which was shut down. $2 billion in a satellite internet startup, OneWeb, which filed for bankruptcy. And construction startup Katerra was shut down in the US, which had $2 billion of its investment. SoftBank's Vision Fund reported $32 billion in losses for the last fiscal year from investments in Uber, WeWork, and DoorDash. Incredibly, in spite of its failed forays, SoftBank has had an ace up its sleeve, a sparkling asset in its satchel since 2016. ARM Limited, a semiconductor and software design company from Cambridge, England, that has a 99% market share for chip technology used in premium smartphones. The company's business model is intriguing, as it does not manufacture chips directly itself, rather licenses its designs and semiconductor IP. This asset-light approach makes them easily scalable and profitable. ARM is so highly valued that some British politicians voiced that the government should take a controlling golden share of it. SoftBank took ARM private for $32 billion in 2016, and in 2017 sold a 25% stake to Vision Fund for $8 billion. Surprisingly, SoftBank has recently bought back that 25% stake of ARM from the Vision Fund for $16 billion now, at twice the price, at a valuation of $64 billion. ARM is currently expected to list at a $50 to $55 billion valuation for its IPO that is scheduled to price its shares on September 13th. Industry giants like Nvidia, AMD, Intel, Apple, Samsung, and Google have already subscribed to the IPO, according to Reuters. ARM Limited is scheduled to start trading on September 14th, 2023, and will be tradable on the Quantfury platform. This marks as a critical day for SoftBank, and potentially its day of reckoning, considering it could be the most important IPO of 2023. Their aim is to raise $5 to $7 billion with its offering, as SoftBank only plans to sell 10% of ARM's shares. ARM's IPO being a success is a must-have for SoftBank, not far from a necessity, in order for it to gain back its previously lucrative status. This is the Quantfury Gazette, and I am Aaron Mera, signing off.